Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. By the way, my name is Casante Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. Alright, so ngayon pala, gusto ko lang i-share yung experience ko 2 years ago with Casamira, Palawan. The project is in the city. It's in Puerto Princesa. And 2 years ago, last 2022, meron akong client na kumuha ng unit. And amazingly, yung client na yon is from Iligan City, where I belong. He invested in Casamira 2 years ago. And today, when I browsed the new price list for Casamira, Palawan, yung pinakamura na pwede mo makuha ngayon for a studio type is nasa mga 2.8 million na siya. Isipin mo from way back 2022 until now, nag-grow yung investment mo ng mga 700,000 pesos. Kung yung pera mo is natutulog lang dyan because of Casamira, Palawan, nag-grow yung money niya ng 700,000. Yung style pa ng pagbabayad nito is siya, staggered. Kasi nasa pre-selling pa siya, so yung equity is paid for 4 years. Until now, he is still paying for the equity for 2 years now. But kung titingnan natin, yung contract price ng unit niya is nag-grow na, no? Naging 2.8 million na siya. So this is the wonders of investing in real estate. Because me personally, me and my wife, we also ventured in mutual funds, in stock market, and me in Bitcoin. Actually, yes, we have earned a little from those investment companies. But it's different when you invest here in real estate. Kasi fluctuating kasi yung ups and downs ng mga stock market na investment, especially Bitcoin. But here in real estate, most of the time talaga paangat yung pricing ng mga units natin. And habang tumatagal, mas lalong nagmamahal yung prices ng mga units natin. So, if you have started investing in real estate like in pre-selling 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, you are very lucky kasi yung amount ng property mo is already appreciating. The value is already going up. Like for example, doon sa mga client ko sa mga subdivisions like Villa Castena, doon sa Georgia Villa, sa Abono, and sa Buroon, it was 2 years ago, 3 years ago, yung mga clients ko doon, from 1.7 million doon sa Villa Castena, yung pinakamababang price mo na makukuha ngayon na is nasa mga 2.3 to 2.5 million na, no? A unit na 68 square meter and one story duplex. So isipin mo, 'di ba, kung nakakuha ka noon 2 years ago, you already earned as much as like 700,000, right? So yun yung wonders ng real estate investment. That's why most of my clients talaga, I always remind them to invest or to get a unit when it's still pre-selling. In real estate kasi, aside from the appreciating value of your property, it's a tangible property kasi. No? Nakikita mo, natitirhan mo. Housing or mga condos is also a necessity. And that's why it's very important na investment, and it's highly appreciated, no? Need siya ng mga tao, like food, like or damit, no? Shelter. It's a basic need of the people. That's why it's very important na if you are investing here, mas maganda talaga na dito mo i-invest yung money mo sa real estate. And what's good with real estate is that you can also create multiple income streams. Pwede mo siyang parintahan, pwede mo siya benta ulit, no, on a higher price. Especially mga condos, ginagawa mostly of my clients is ginagawa nilang for transient na rentals, daily rentals, long-term, short-term rentals. Anything that you can do in real estate, no, can earn you money. Siguro ang word for the day na gusto kong i-share sa inyo for this day is that in real estate, it's like a relationship, no? Habang tumatagal, mas lalo mong minamahal yung tao, 'di ba? And pag tumatagal yung relationship ninyo, mas lalong napapamahal sa iyo yung tao. So ganun din dito sa real estate, habang tagal, mas nag-appreciate ang value, mas nagmamahal ang value ng mga properties ninyo. Alright? So if you want to know more about investment opportunities in real estate, especially here in the Philippines, you can contact me anytime. We have sets of projects that are still pre-selling that we can endorse to you, and make sure that the projects that you invest are legit projects. No, we have connections of developers that can really finish all the projects that they endorse to us. So, isa na yon yung Casamira sa Palawan. And most of my clients, well, they are very happy also because the projects that I have endorsed to them, no, ngayon nga meron ako mga clients na na-turnover na talaga yung mga units nila, and they are very happy of the outcome of their units. All right? So I hope you have learned something new today, and if you have learned something new today, please don't hesitate to like, share, comment down below. And I hope that you will also endorse my channel to everyone, Unboxing Real Estate PH. And please support me on my journey in real estate. And by the way, gusto ko din endorse ito because I am also looking for team members in my team to become part of our real estate in Filipino Homes, because our company is Filipino Homes and our realty is Luterio Realty. And we are looking for potential partners that will venture in real estate. And we are willing to train you. We have sets of trainings that you can undergo so that you can sell a property in real estate. At dito sa real estate, if you want to venture here, you just have to open your mind, empty your cup to become successful, and continue to be trained with our best realtors in our community. So for that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.